Hi, I'm VIncent Brisebois with Fusion.io, and I'm going to introduce you to our products and a little bit of what we do. So we make these. It's a solid-state memory tier. So it's NAND memory, similar to an SSD. But what makes us fundamentally different from an SSD is that we don't use any storage controllers, no RAID, no SATA, no SAS. We're directly attaching the NAND memory to the system host. So we're a software and hardware company. The software part is the memory management aspect of it. So we have a driver that runs in the operating system that loads this up as a block device, so it's very easy to use. It looks like a hard drive, but the benefit is it performs almost as fast as RAM. It's got a 30 microsecond latency, so 0.03 milliseconds, as opposed to SSDs that have 1 millisecond. So really what this is used for is accelerating everything from databases, Oracle, SQL servers, also used as a server-side caching tier for accelerating data. It really is built to alleviate the data supply problem. Right now, CPUs are mostly underutilized in data centers. And what this allows you to do is put a high-performance memory, large amounts. They go up to 1.2 terabytes. We actually have an octal we just launched at 10 terabytes. So you can imagine having 10 terabytes of non-volatile memory right next to your CPU, where you can process it very quickly.
So we're here at SC right now, where the focus really is on scientific technical computing.
Yes.
Let's put all of your technology in the context of one of the most complex applications, data-intensive applications you could imagine.
Yeah. So obviously, data mining, everything from oil and gas to financial. Anytime there's large, massive amounts of data that needs to be processed and turned into information so that you can act on it. That's where these cards are used. So a lot of scientific, military, places where you just can't wait for that data to be processed. So clients like Lawrence Livermore, we have case studies on our website you can check out. We also have a lot of visual effects clients here where we're doing streaming massive amounts of videos. In these images, this is a single workstation doing 8 uncompressed 1080p video streams. You can hardly get one on a regular workstation. We're doing 8 here. So this is what a film production would do. Then these monitors down here, we actually have 6 here and 8 on the other side. That's 14 systems being fed by a single card. So very similar to something a Netflix would do, for instance, a company that would stream videos. So that's 1080p. So this is really just a way to visually demonstrate the throughput, but obviously these are used in financial, in research, particle systems, explosions, things like that. Massive amounts of data that need to be processed. So it's really just about getting it to the processor so that you can act on it, or the GPU as well.
What's the biggest growing big data market that you can imagine right now? What do you see really exploding in the next 5 years?
Big data. One of our big growths obviously has been the Web 2.0, all the social media stuff. As much as that seems like little things, with the billions of users on those systems, the ability to analyze that data, recognize faces, do all that, that's actually very, very intensive. The other, obviously, financial, military, being able to crunch data like never before. So for a financial company to be able to analyze everything that happened the day before and act on it the next day, it's a really key part of their business, is to be able to do it before anyone else.